Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Pay.gov for tax submissions. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.pay.gov and press enter. Once the Pay.gov homepage loads, look for the login button. Click on the login button located at the top right corner of the page. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, type your password in the second field. After filling in your credentials, click on the login button below the password field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. After logging in, you will be taken to your account dashboard. From here, find the section for tax submissions. Select the appropriate form you wish to submit. Fill out the required information as prompted. Once you have completed the form, review it for accuracy. Finally, click on the Submit button to process your tax submission. You will receive a confirmation message once your submission is successful. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.